Hey y'all, I'm on the south side of town and I just found a Sears and Roebuck home. This house was a kit home. It would have been brought in probably on a train and all the pieces would have been numbered and everything would have been pre-cut to measure pretty much, except for a few pieces, and this would have been a rapidly assembled house that would have been built probably in the late teens, maybe early 20s, but I'm betting late teens, like 1915, 16, 17. Anyways, I just thought it was a clever find. There you go, a Sears and Roebuck house on the south side of Columbus. I believe I'm on 9th Avenue South. I'm just across the railroad tracks. Anyways, thanks for coming on my little tour of Columbus, Mississippi and 9th Avenue South and 4th Street on the Southern District of Columbus.